Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I still think this is going to go up to either make an expanding flat wave C, which will look like that, or possibly a running flat. If it is a running flat, it definitely could make a lower high at the 100% Fibonacci extension. But either way, I still think this is either going to go up and make that expanding flat or possibly a running flat uptrend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1. I definitely still think this is 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down for an expanding flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C definitely looks like an expanding flat. If that's the case, then that means that this is still a wave 1, this is still a wave 2, and eventually it should go up and make a 3, 4, and 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, I am definitely still looking at this move up as a wave 1, possibly a wave 1 of 3. This move down possibly as a wave 2 of 3. It kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3 to me, which tells me this move up is very likely to be a crescent like a wave 4, and I think it's likely to go down for a wave 5 to finish off this downtrend, which is likely to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. Now, I'm definitely primarily looking for shorts, and if it doesn't respect this fib level on the next push down and just keeps on going down, I'm going to be short anyway, so if I'm wrong about this being a wave 2, it definitely isn't going to affect me in any negative way. So heading down to the 4-hour time frame, like I said, on the 4-hour time frame, I think it's very likely this move up is a wave 4. This is an A of 4 probably. This is a corrective move down, probably a B of 4. I think this is likely to go up to at least probably retest this area. Maybe this bottom right here will become a top for a wave C. Then if we get a break to the downside, that would be most likely the end of a wave 4. That would be a great entry to go short. I would expect it to be a wave 5. I would expect it to go down, bounce off this fib, and push back up. But if it's not a wave 5 and it doesn't break structure and just keeps on going down, I'll just hold my short and I'll just enjoy the profits rolling in. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm pretty confident that this move up is like a 1 of C. I think this is like a 2 of C. I think it's going to go up and make a 3, 4, and 5, maybe up to the 38, possibly even up to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. If it goes up to one of those two fib levels, makes a break to the downside, a break of structure, then I would definitely get out of my longs and I would definitely reverse my position and go short for what I think is going to be a wave 5 of wave C, but it could always just be a subdivision of a much larger downtrend. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.